Hi guys, this is Peace Adeze. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to fry plantain. Stay tuned and watch how I fry this plantain. To all my amazing subscribers, I say thank you, and God bless you all. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, it's free. Just click on the red button that says subscribe and click on that bell sign so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. For the ingredients, you need plantain, salt to taste, and vegetable oil. So let's get started. The first thing I do is to wash the plantain. Put in a bowl and wash the plantain. Washing the plantain, peel it and cut to your desired size and shape. Add salt and mix properly. You do this so that the salt will get into the plantain. This is optional. If you don't want to add salt, you can fry it without salt. Pour some oil into your frying pan and preheat the oil. Preheat the oil. When the oil is hot enough, fry on medium heat and stir occasionally till it's done. The plantain is ready to be served. You can have this as a main dish with stew or sauce. You can also have it as side dish with jollof rice, fried rice, coconut rice, any rice dish at all. You can also have it with beans. So this is it for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share. Feel free to ask me questions in the comment section and I'll answer your questions. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.